You're listening to the Bare Metal Cyber Prepcast, created to help you succeed in your IT Fundamentals certification journey. Learn more at baremetalcyber.com, where additional prepcasts, books, and training materials await. Let's get started. This prepcast was created as a complete and structured audio-based study tool for the CompTIA IT Fundamentals Plus certification exam. Every episode in this series is carefully aligned with the official CompTIA exam objectives, ensuring that everything you hear directly supports your success on the test. The prepcast is designed to be consumed passively while walking, driving, or engaging in your daily routine, allowing you to make progress without needing a screen, textbook, or keyboard in front of you. Each episode delivers focused, exam-relevant content in a format optimized for listening. The intended audience for this prepcast includes beginners, career changers, and non-technical learners who are exploring a possible future in technology. It is designed specifically for those who have no prior IT experience or background. You do not need to know how to build a computer, configure a network, or write code to benefit from this series. Whether you are studying for personal enrichment, seeking a foundational certification to list on your resume, or deciding whether the IT field is right for you, this prepcast gives you an accessible, friendly, and well-paced entry point into the world of information technology. The CompTIA IT Fundamentals Plus certification, often abbreviated as ITF Plus, is an entry-level credential that serves as the first step into the world of professional information technology. It is designed to introduce candidates to broad IT concepts across a variety of domains, such as hardware, software, networking, data, programming, and cybersecurity. It is recognized by employers, educators, and industry professionals as a valid measure of basic IT literacy. For students, job seekers, and lifelong learners, ITF Plus can act as either a standalone credential or a launching point for more advanced study. The ITF Plus certification is an excellent starting point for many learners because it builds confidence in a low-pressure environment. Unlike more advanced certifications, it does not require deep technical knowledge or prior professional experience. There are no prerequisites, no required lab work, and no expectation that you already speak the language of IT. This makes it ideal for complete beginners. By starting here, you gain essential vocabulary, learn key concepts, and develop the foundational thinking patterns that you will use again and again throughout your IT journey. The topics covered by the ITF Plus certification span 6 major domains. These include computer hardware and peripheral devices, software installation and management, network fundamentals, cybersecurity awareness, basic troubleshooting, and an introduction to programming and databases. Each of these domains contains specific objectives that are tested on the exam. By the end of this prepcast series, you will have heard a clear explanation of every topic area, broken down into manageable audio segments, and delivered in a format designed for clarity and repetition. Each episode in this series focuses on one specific topic or exam objective. Episodes follow a consistent structure to make it easy to follow and absorb the material. Every episode begins with a short introduction, followed by the core instructional content, then includes a mid-episode promotional break, and ends with a brief recap or preview. This structured approach helps reinforce your learning by presenting material in small, predictable chunks that are easier to retain. Consistency also allows you to get comfortable with the format and stay focused on what matters most. Using audio as a study tool offers significant benefits. Unlike video courses or textbooks, prepcasts can be listened to while multitasking, making them ideal for people with busy schedules or those who prefer learning through hearing. Auditory learners often find that they retain more information when they hear it spoken aloud, especially when complex terms are repeated clearly. This prepcast avoids unnecessary distractions and uses precise spoken formatting to ensure that concepts are communicated in a way that supports understanding without visual aids. Because some of the exam objectives are broad or contain multiple subtopics, this prepcast series breaks them up into multiple episodes for clarity. For example, if a single objective includes several related technologies or procedures, each will be treated as its own topic. This allows each concept to be explored thoroughly without rushing. You are never expected to understand too many ideas at once. Breaking up the objectives this way prevents cognitive overload and allows for more frequent reinforcement of essential content. Glossary terms play a major role in preparing for the ITF Plus exam. To support your vocabulary development, this prepcast includes 3 dedicated glossary review episodes. These episodes are organized by domain and provide a focused opportunity to hear and review the key terms you will encounter on the test. Many of these terms will also appear throughout the regular episodes, but the glossary episodes provide a second chance to reinforce their meanings in a concentrated, audio-friendly format that is ideal for quick review. This prepcast is not meant to replace other forms of study, but rather to complement them. It works particularly well alongside textbooks, flashcards, practice exams, and other training materials. Listening to episodes can reinforce what you have read or provide a different explanation for concepts that are difficult to visualize. Audio learning also supports the study technique known as spaced repetition, where reviewing content at timed intervals helps move knowledge from short-term memory into long-term retention. This series is comprehensive and follows the entire content scope of the ITF Plus exam. Every episode is based on the official CompTIA objectives and organized by domain. Domains 1 through 6 are covered in order, beginning with foundational IT concepts and progressing through software, infrastructure, database fundamentals, security, and troubleshooting. No exam objective is skipped. By the end of the series, you will have reviewed every area of the test, giving you a complete and balanced understanding of what the certification requires. In the next episode, we begin with a deeper look at the ITF Plus certification itself. We will explore what the exam is designed to test, how it is structured, and what kind of learners it is meant for. Understanding the purpose and scope of the certification helps you set realistic expectations and gives you insight into why certain topics are included. If you are new to the world of CompTIA, this next episode will explain the exam framework and introduce the domains that define the content of the test. To summarize, this prepcast exists to make the ITF Plus exam approachable, accessible, and understandable for every learner. It covers the full content scope of the exam, from the first domain to the last, with clear narration and structured delivery. Whether you are just starting your IT journey or returning to the basics, this series is designed to support you from day 1 all the way to exam day. Each episode adds another building block to your understanding, creating a strong foundation that will serve you well in both certification and future study. Thanks for tuning in to the Bare Metal Cyber Prepcast, your trusted source for cybersecurity news and insights. Remember to subscribe at baremetalcyber.com so you never miss an update. And visit cyberauthor.me for best-selling cybersecurity books that equip you with expert knowledge. Until next time, stay secure and stay vigilant.